Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna record this because I think it's gonna be funny as heck. Partly because I'm sick, but also partly because this is supposed to be a costume and it's like hard.
I love Halloween.
So let's see. Oh, that didn't work. Oh no. I sound like a man right now. It's like completely shrink wrapped. Like you can see this button right here. Oh, I hope that it looks okay. Otherwise I have to return it and it's such a hassle. Oh no. I'm weak. There we go. Oh, it literally just expanded. Dude, that was whack. Like as soon as the air got into it, it just kind of went. Oh no. Okay, well it's soft. That's good. She's just a wee bit wrinkly. Just a little bit. Let's see what this is like. Cute! Look at that. A Stitch. So my nice Stitch onesie. Yeah, that size looks. It's gonna be a little bit short, but like problems of a tall girl. And like, look at this. Look at the little tail that it has on the back. How did they shrink wrap that? I don't even understand. It's pretty soft. I mean, it's not like the highest quality, but who cares? I mean, I paid $30 for it, but still. Why? I don't understand why the inside of the hood is red. That kind of scares me. So it's supposed to be like the inside of his mouth or something. It's kind of gross. Okay, whatever. Happy Halloween.